Hi, I'm Laura, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be hacking my IKEA chest of drawers. So I want to change the colour so that it matches my bedside tables, which I've painted in a Rustoleum Chalk Paint. Today I'm going to be using Adhesive. This is a grey colour. I've used this on my kitchen, so I know that this is a really good match for the paint that I've used for my bedside tables. So I'm going to be wrapping the drawers and also adding some new handles and putting these handles on my bedside tables as well, so that it kind of all ties in together and all matches. If you are new here, then welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below and also leave a like if you enjoy this video. So let's get started. These are the Koppang Drawers from IKEA. I've given them a clean before starting, and this is everything that I'm going to be using. So you need a pair of scissors, a screwdriver to remove the handles, and a fixing kit as well. So I'm just going to start off by taking off the old handles so that I can add the wrap onto the front of the drawers. I'm now marking out how much wrap I need for the top and just cutting it and turning it around to cut along the guidelines that are on the back of the DC Fix. At this point, it's then good to just double check that you have actually marked it out right and cut the right amount. The first edge is actually the trickiest bit because you need to make sure that you get this level, otherwise it's going to go at a really funny angle as you're going along and then not cover the whole top, and you'll have to keep peeling it back and restarting. If you do get any air bubbles that you're struggling to get out, you can just prick them with a pin or the end of the craft knife and then just use the squidgy just to go over them, and it just pushes the air out. It saves you having to peel it back. Once that first edge is in place, just put your hand underneath the wrap and pull out the backing paper, and then just push along to make sure that you're not getting any air bubbles. And then once you've got the first bit in place, the rest of it goes on like an absolute dream. It's really easy to just fold over the edges and cut off the excess with the craft knife, and then it just trims off any little bits that don't need to be there. So with the top done, I'm now doing the edges, the legs and the front trims. So I've cut pieces to size just so that it's easier to work with, and I'm just doing it in sections and then just using the craft knife just to trim the edges. You don't really need to go around the corners, you can just do the fronts. The drawer fronts are really easy to do, so just cut them to size, and then you can either pop them on just the front panel or you can fold them around the edges of the drawers as well. At this point I was running out of wrap, so unfortunately this side panel I've had to cut into two pieces, but you can cut it so that's not noticeable. Here's a reminder of how they look before I started, and here is them finished off. I'm really happy with how these have turned out. I think that they look lovely. They don't look like they're from IKEA anymore, they look like a much more expensive set of drawers, so I'm just really pleased that they tie in with my bedroom a lot better now and they match my bedside tables. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more future videos. Thank you very much for watching. I'll hopefully see you again soon.